start to the day. In fact, a fairly wet day for much of southern England. If you watch this satellite sequence, it's all very slow moving. It's a linked frontal system. This low here, just to the south of the Isle of Wight, links up with one to the east of Copenhagen. The whole lot runs back through France, Switzerland, and down towards the coast of Algeria. It is low pressure everywhere. It's a slack system. Everything's moving slowly. And although it moves out of the way tomorrow, low pressure isn't really very far away from the British Isles, but we should have a couple of fine days at least to come. That's an hour ago, the picture with rainfall overlaid, and you can see it's now rather patchy. It was actually quite persistent through much of central England, southern England. It's now breaking up quite nicely. Any heavy rain was probably dying out, but it's coming up now from the Channel Isles. It's just hit the coast of Kent, as you can see. So into the evening, if there are any more heavy outbreaks, they're probably going to be in the extreme southeast, but it'll be pretty murky anyway for much of southern England, part of the Midlands. But a fine end to the evening for northern England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, where it has indeed been quite a glorious day. But it will be a cold night. It's been a pretty chilly day after all in many places, even in the sunshine. A frost likely in Scotland, a ground frost all the way down through the Midlands, through Northern Ireland as well, and the rain sporadic further south. Now the computer would like to dial this rain out rather slowly tonight and tomorrow morning. And there's no reason for us to dispute that. It's a slow process, but it will happen. And throughout tonight, tomorrow, in fact for the next 2 or 3 days, even 4 days, the wind is always going to be off the cold North Sea, northeasterly direction, which means eastern coast will never really get the temperature that you all deserve. So we start Wednesday then with a very gloomy start, maybe some rain in the southeast of England and certainly a good deal of mist around, but it'll dry up probably by the early afternoon. Some sunshine maybe to the west of Southampton, joining the rest of the country in another fairly nice day, with temperatures probably a degree below average, maybe 1 or 2 showers in northern Scotland, possibly even wintry showers in the Grampians, but I think very few and far between. Thursday and Friday sees another low try and push its way up, but it's a slow process, so Thursday should be nice. 16s and 17s now we are back up to average. Relatively light winds, I think. A few showers in northern Scotland. Rain starting to return by the end of the day into the southwest of England. Next few days after that, it moves slowly northwards.